about the brainstorming. What is brainstorming? So who would tell me what is brainstorming?
Brainstorming is a very informal session in which no limitation on ideas is set, actually. You can just, as many ideas are encouraged to be collected. So, yeah.
Yes, ideation. Brainstorming is ideation technique. You just create ideas.
No idea is a bad idea. You can give.
Yes, yes. So it's an ideation technique. You just create ideas, as many ideas as the team would want, because later on we are going to organize those ideas. We are going to filter and organize those ideas. And brainstorming is ideation. However, till the time that idea is not shared, it's not communicated, it's not mapped in the form of tacit knowledge, sorry, in the form of an explicit knowledge, till that time that idea is in your head, right? So to convert that idea into an understandable language or mechanism, you need to mind map that, right? Mind mapping is nothing but whatever ideas you are jotting, you just map that. No organization or no particular format or fancy arrangement is needed in mind mapping. Like, it's just mapping. Whatever you are thinking, you just map. This is how the mind map looks like. So this is the main project. You create, you generate few ideas for the main project. Then from this idea, maybe some other ideas generating, from this idea, some other ideas generating. And this can be, ideally, this should be a team exercise, like a group of people should be doing that. Otherwise, it can be one person activity. Again, this is not hard and fast, but it works really well in a group of people, rather one person doing that. Once the ideas are generated, and of course, they are not organized, you need to organize them into more understandable classifications and categorizations via affinity diagram. So affinity diagram is like nothing but organization of those ideas. So this is an organization of all those different requirements and ideas